In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your email list on Shopify. We're going to walk through how to add email sign-up forms to your online store, how to collect emails at checkout, and finally, how to see who has subscribed. By the end, you'll have a simple system in place to start growing your list automatically as people visit and shop. First, log into your Shopify admin. On the left-hand panel, click on Online Store, then look for your current theme. Next to that theme, find and click Edit Theme. This opens your online store editor, where you can control what visitors see on your site. Inside the editor, decide where you want to place your email sign-up form. Two great spots to start with are your homepage and your footer. Adding a sign-up on the homepage lets you catch visitors early, even if they are not ready to buy yet. It's the perfect place to offer a small discount or a bonus in exchange for their email, so you can bring them back later and turn first-time visitors into future customers. A footer sign-up form is also very effective. It appears to people who have scrolled all the way down your page, which usually means they're more interested and engaged. It's non-intrusive, it stays visible even if visitors close pop-ups, and it often attracts higher quality subscribers because they've taken the time to explore your site. Once you've decided on the location, look at the left-hand panel in the editor and click Add Section. Scroll down until you find Email Sign-up and click it to add that section to your page. Then, click on that new section to customize it. Here, you can change the color scheme to match your brand, choose whether it's full width or not, adjust the top and bottom padding so it looks balanced, and even toggle on Reveal on Scroll if you want a smooth animation effect. If you're comfortable with code, you can add custom CSS, but this is optional. Next, click on the heading inside the email sign-up to edit the text and size. Use a clear, benefit-focused message so visitors know why they should subscribe. Then click on the subheading to update that content as well. For example, explaining what kind of emails they'll receive and how often. When you're happy with how everything looks, make sure to click Save. Now let's capture emails at checkout. Go back to your main Shopify dashboard. In the lower left corner, click Settings. Inside Settings, look for Checkout in the menu on the left and click it. Scroll down until you find the Marketing Options section. Here, toggle on the option for Email. This will add a checkbox at checkout so customers can choose to sign up for email marketing while they're completing their purchase. Remember to click Save at the bottom so your changes are applied. Finally, to see who has subscribed to your emails, go back to your Shopify admin home. On the left-hand panel, click Customers. This page shows a list of people who have interacted with your store. You'll be able to see which customers agreed to receive email marketing. When you click on an individual customer, you'll see more details about them, including their contact information and marketing preferences. That's all you need to start building your email list on Shopify. You've added sign-up sections to your store, enabled email capture at checkout, and learned where to view your subscribers. With these pieces in place, every visitor and customer becomes an opportunity to grow your audience and nurture long-term relationships.